This is the Doubletree Hotel, downtown Tulsa, and we are in suite 1714. And this is a room tour of the King Premier Suite. As you can see, it's got double doors, which is pretty cool. Location on the map. Right here at the end of the hallway, you can see the size of the room. And let's take a look at the room. On first view, it's you can see how spacious it is. You have a foyer area here. There's no bench or anything, which I feel like if they put a bench right here, it would have been perfect. Or a seat over there or something. But it's a large area. You can see the living room off the left, bedroom on the right, since it's all one room. But let's take a look over in our little closet here. Now, all hotels come with a closet. This one is the largest closet I've ever seen in a hotel room. It's a walk-in closet. You have a safe, sofa bed, stuff, hangers, luggage rack. You can see my luggage here. It's got a lot of room out of space. So if you're here for an extended period, you got an ironing board, extended period, or here for a wedding, this is perfect. That's a very large room. As we come across the foyer over here, into the bathroom, we have a full-length mirror. We have a sink. Let's see what we got. So it has the verbena, lavender, soap and shampoo. Obviously this one's used. Got some cups, nice large counter space. Down there you got a hair dryer. Room came with 3 towels. Outlet over here, toilet with its own light switch, and shower. And a rack and some artwork you can stare at while using the toilet. We have shower here. This is probably the worst part of the room. I know it looks nice. You have double shower heads, so this comes off, and you can activate, deactivate it with this button here. It's magnetized, so it just slips right back in. And then you can select between the outer ring, the inner ring, or both. The only problem I have is the water here, the fan's on permanently. The water here takes about 10 minutes to heat up. I don't know if that's because we're on the 17th floor or what, but it does. Also, when you turn it on, the door is only over here. You can't open this door, so when you get in, you have to lean in and get the handle. And every time the shower starts, it's cold. So, yeah, there's that. It's almost a make or break deal with this room. It's been a pain. I've been here for 5 days. It's been a pain, but and mostly because of the cold water. But it also drips. So if you take a shower before you go to sleep, it will constantly drip onto that metal plate. You can see it. It does that all night. So you have to shut the shower door and shut the bathroom door just to avoid the noise. You get some shampoo in here and body wash. And this is the bathroom. Get a hook. Show you the lights here. Light switch. And then light switch, which has a night light. All right, let's go over to the living area. This is a massive living area, and I love it. First, we'll start with the, bar kitchen area, which it's a normal hotel kitchen. You have microwave, a Keurig maker, which they include a lot of decaf tea, decaf coffee, normal coffee, tea cups, as well as tea bags. Ice, you don't see these a lot in hotels anymore. Ice holder, cups, sink. Sink does get cold and hot. Down here we have a refrigerator with a freezer. In here we got nothing. Tons of storage space. Oh, even on the sink. We have garbage. Some of my bags from breakfast. You can bring breakfast up to your room, which I choose to do so I can sit and eat breakfast and watch TV. We have its own light right here. You also have this lamp over here, which I really like. Step on it to activate it. And we have a nice large sectional and a TV over here. I guess this can double as a coffee table as well as a footrest. It can kind of morph into a couch if you have multiple people that want to extend their legs. It kind of looks like that. Otherwise, you can pull it out and use it as a table or anything else. That's what it looks like. Over here, you have our desk slash entertainment center area with some just documents. Pause that to read it if you want. Welcome document, menu, and restaurant areas. Nice large TV. I'm not sure what size it is. It's probably looks like a 55-inch. Don't quote me on that. Window, obviously. Tons of space over here for, well, there's nothing over here. Just some more space. We have double thermostats, because obviously I think these were probably 2 rooms at one point, and then they converted 2 rooms into a suite. So you got 2 separate thermostats. I just put them on the same temperature. You have desk with integrated outlets, 2 outlets, 2 USBs, which is really nice. They all work. Nice comfortable chair. I've noticed everything in this hotel. I don't know if it's been renovated recently. It kind of seems like it does, but every piece of furniture here I have not seen any problems with. A lot of the reviews I saw says it was old and dirty, this hotel. They must have just either are renovating or have been renovating. We have 1 phone, the TV, which swivels. As I take the remote with me here, let's do that. We have some drawers here, some very deep drawers. That's what the desk looks like. And then here's the bedroom. You got a nice painting over the bed, king bed. You have lamps. These lamps have 2 settings, which I really like. You have normal, and then you have night light. What kind of light it is? Can't tell. It looks like an LED light, but it's warm white. The night light's really nice at night if you don't want the full brightness, because it's pretty bright. You can see this is the daytime. It's pretty bright. You can turn it down to low and do that. You can see the contrast to the other one here. Bed is comfortable. You have 5 pillows, 2 different sizes, 2 different types, I believe. Very comfortable, no problems. I would stay here a million nights more. This is nice and good condition. You have another phone here, and another lamp, which does the same thing. Down here, these nice cabinets. You have a book. And that is the bedroom. Lastly, you get these massive, I call them room-wide windows, because it's not just a window. It goes up to the ceiling and goes all the way over on both sides. Let me back up here so you can see just what I'm talking about. You can see it's the whole room, which is amazing, actually. And as we take a look over here, we'll get a look at the view here. Let me tell you, we're facing to the west. So this is the edge. This is the center of the building here. We have the parking garage, which is also the parking garage for the Cox Business Center right there. You can see that. Let's see what we got. Highways. It kind of just looks like a small city. There's the road. We got the Route 66 here, as well as the interstate right there. And there's the river right there, which you can't really tell. And it goes all the way out over there. That's the hospital right next door. And this hotel does come with a free shuttle it essentially drives you within a 3-mile radius, basically downtown or around downtown, as well as to the airport, and which is very convenient. And I've used it, and they've been on time, comfortable, brand new van. Overall, you see the entrance over there. Overall, I'd give this hotel, in terms of staff, I essentially give it, the hotel's, I believe, a 3-star hotel, or 3.5. This is a Doubletree downtown. It's a Doubletree Hilton. This was way better. This is probably the best Doubletree I've ever stayed in. I had a king room before this, which was just basically door, bathroom, bed, window, and it was very, very small. But they upgraded me to this room, so I'd give everything a 5 out of 5 for this room. The king room is smaller. A king room is essentially the door, everything from here over, and that's what you get. So hope you enjoyed the tour. Ask any questions in the comments. Thank you.